We will be doing a blind sniff test with the Beer Struggle products to see if the Beer Struggle can beat out its competition. Let's get it.
That's really good.
What does that remind you of?
A sexy strong man. That's
Really good.
Rate it 1 out of 10. What do you give it?
A 10.
10?
Yes. 10 for sure.
So we have 2 beard oils, and we want you to see which one you think smells the best.
Okay.
Second one.
Second one? Well, that is the Beer Struggle's Viking Storm scent. You heard it here first, guys. They're picking the Beer Struggle. You pick the Beer Struggle.
Yeah, buddy.
How do you think it smells?
Yeah, very good.
That smells really nice. It smells really good.
Oh, yeah!
My wife's gonna be happy.
The Beer Struggle is the best scent.
I like that.
That's good.
The Beer Struggle is the strongest beard product on the market.
He would not be able to go to the gym because I couldn't get my hands off of him.
That's all we needed to hear right there. You heard it here first, everybody.
Nice subtle smell. Feels like it has good hold, not too thick. Smells good. Not overly strong like a lot of them can be, and not a whole lot of chemicals or nothing. Nice.
Oh, that is beautiful. That joint is fresh.